SAP has exploded higher plus 9.26% to $140.20, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, July 27th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. The move follows reports that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,411.98. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. NASDAQ 100 is down minus 1.15%, trading at $28,128. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ lags on angst over RE spending ahead of earnings reports, the Detroit News. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.46%, at $51,947. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. DAX edged higher plus 1.36% to €25,099. The move follows reports that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.91%, at £10,736. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. SAP made a dramatic move today, surged plus 9.26% to €140.20. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SAP stock jumps as earnings beat eases RE fears, barons. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the €148.61 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Rocket Lab plunged minus 8.69% to $63.91 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab has a $1.1 billion backlog, 50-plus successful launches, a Neutron due in 2026. Is RKLB a buy at $117? TradingKey. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Samsung plunged minus 7.59% to 249,500 Korean wons in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. SoftBank Group plunged minus 7.06% to 5,500 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Q2 2026 SoftBank Group Corp earnings presentation transcript, Guru Focus. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for SoftBank Group is around 5,170 yen. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $96.78 per barrel, down 3.88% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. WTI crude plunged to $89.31 per barrel, down 3.12% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Wall Street indexes dip with technology earnings, rising oil in focus. Natural gas dipped to $2.89, down 0.96% on the session. The move follows reports that Brent crude hits $100 as Middle East tensions escalate. Crypto briefing. Gold edged higher to $4,070.80 per troy ounce, up 0.6% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold prices today, Thursday. Gold price opens below $4,100 as inflation worries clash with safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on SAP. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for SAP sits around €148.61. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.16% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, gaining 0.19% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 163.83, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that war, oil and stagflation. Opt. Eurasia Review. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.